It seems like absolute lunacy that this is still going on, but yet here we sit and we've eclipsed $6 billion in two separate ways for XRP. This is actually the highest we have seen since February in one regard, and the highest we have seen in the last 2 months in another. And what we're seeing is a lot of excitement in the crypto market. XRP actually hitting some of the highest prices we have seen, since all the way back in March. And right now, there's not a lot of things that look like they're slowing us down. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So at the time of filming this video, XRP is about $2.62, $2.63. Guys, we are well above our 7.0 line. We're, again, like we've talked about many times before, targeting this 786 level at about $2.80. And it doesn't mean that that's where we're going to stop. But right now, we're waiting to see if, we get some profit taking for the day. Are we going to see U.S. money slow down the overnight trend? Because it's been a very distinct one. We're up 3% already, and we're not even halfway through today's daily candle. It's about 6:40 a.m. Central Standard Time at the time of filming this video. Now, one thing I want to say is that BTC making the moves that it's moving is obviously, or the moves that it's doing is obviously helping the overall crypto market. It set a new all-time high of 118,845, and this has put a lot of wind into the sails of the market. But XRP is doing some pretty incredible things on its own. It's up about, 18% over the last week, doing incredibly well here. And actually, we've eclipsed $6 billion in trading volume over the last 24 hours. So this is actually the highest amount of trading volume we have seen since this time in May. This time in May. So that is a very noticeable thing. And what is really helping cause this volume to take place is we're going through some huge short squeezes right now. All right. We talked about this possibly taking place. Here we are a couple days after talking about this, and look at all this short interest that was just crushed. And you can't even see how much this exactly was, but just for a little bit of context, $20 million in shorts liquidated over the last 24 hours. Right now, we are in the middle of the largest short squeeze in crypto history. I've talked about this for months, said it was going to come at some point, and here we are. Now, what's absolute lunacy to me is the fact that we have gone on these runs over the past several days. The market's looking really good, really hot right now, a lot of momentum kicking in, a lot of excitement, and shorts will not get the hell out of the way. Okay, we have now eclipsed $6 billion in open interest. That's the other $6 billion flip. This is the highest amount of open interest we have seen for XRP since all the way back in the early part of February. And the crazy thing about this is, guys, this isn't longs taking over. This is both sides being opened up. So although right now, if we look at this liquidation map, we might see all this long leverage filling in here, a lot of longs chasing. And guys, I get it. People want to obviously use leverage. And if you guys do want to use leverage, there are links in the description below for you guys to check out. I actually have an ADA long open currently that's up about 299%. I have a SHIB long open up 120%. If you guys do want to check out BTCC or Margex, feel free to check those links out below. You can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. Just understand that there is risk that comes with leverage. And like I'm saying, while there does look like a lot of the longs are filling in here, it's balanced to the upside, which is kind of even more insane because we're closing in on some of those local highs, right? We're closing in on, $3, some of the ranges that we hit obviously earlier this year, and these shorts haven't closed their positions. They're just sitting there, just waiting to be liquidated left and right. So I really don't know what to say about that. What's doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results? It's lunacy. It means you're insane, right? So again, we have a lot of things coming this next week that could provide obviously some more excitement and momentum in the market. I will say huge days for institutional money over the last 24 hours. We had the second largest day in history for Bitcoin adding, second largest day in history for Ethereum adding. I mean, we're looking good, guys. All we need is just this trend to continue. We just need XRP to keep breaking out and run to some of those highs. We need XRP dominance to keep climbing. We need volume to stay high in the overall crypto market. Just kind of referencing back to this, about 16.7% is what it is. That's moving scale there, but that's all I got for you guys. I appreciate you as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Is this a trend that's going to continue? Will we see a little bit of resistance along the way? But have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.